Welcome to another video on my driving robot Mydfir, based on the fischertechnik robo interface with two active sonars, two color sensors and two line following sensors. Also three LEDs and the buzzer. The buzzer to signal on which side a color is on, which side of the line. Then the three different LEDs to signal which color it supposedly is, and also the red and blue LED to signal which sonar is somehow detecting an object. And somehow is because it doesn't work quite as it should. Anyway, two objects, and this one is a little bit turned to give some rough edges to be detected instead of the signal being relayed. And this is something that I discovered last time. Just lay it down, because the 3D cone of the sonar should detect it anyway, and a little bit weight so it doesn't get pushed away. Without it, it's a little bit too light apparently, but anyway, let's see with this amount of light, just daylight, how things work out. The battery pack is not the same one as last time and the time before that, so I'm curious how this one will go. And it functions nicely so far. So let's start the program. Uh-oh, yeah, right, and that is not supposed to happen. So it loses it straight away, and then I'm talking about the line that it loses straight away, or almost straight away. It pushes away the objects as if it is not there. So the question is, why does it not even respond to it? It used to. So my guess is I made the software much too complicated. Well, that can be because I am using two line sensors for some time now. So I have to ask for two line. I have to process both line sensors, and that may be more complicated than initially thought. Anyway, if you have watched the previous episodes, you have seen me struggle with finding out eventually that one of the line sensors is exactly the inverse of the other one. Where left and right are right and left. Is it still this way? I have no idea. Anyway, let's go again. And actually, let me put it just like this. Strange thing is, by the way, it is a corner of 30, an angle of 30 degrees. At least that is what the sonar is, or has. So I still wonder, does it see it or doesn't it? Let me do it again. And there you go, straight away from the line. Okay, time to see some data. And with this bad result, see for the data. And which is here. No. Right, that's enough. Data is 1023 here. That shall be for quite a while. Because it takes quite a while before it hits the object. But I'm looking for, oh look, what happens here? And distance. Alright, distance is now, oh, always was 11. Wait, I'm looking the wrong way. So one is the maximum and one is 11. Then my guess is that this one isn't even detected and that one is 11. So alright, this requires something else, which I of course haven't ready. At which angle is something actually? A geometric triangle is needed to measure the actual angle. Yeah, I have to find one. So this means that I have to put everything again. So right here, this one right here, right here. And now the question is, yeah, well, 30 degrees on top goes here. If I take it like this, where does it go? It goes here. So from the center, yeah, this is 30 degrees. And everything out of 30 degrees is not being recognized. Which means that the closer it gets, it misses it. Right now it is just within the limit, so I have to put it like this. That is the only explanation. Then this is within reach, this is within reach. Right, this is within reach, and this is for completely okay. This wasn't. So it has to stand up. Absolutely clear. So this data is useless. Now let's see how things go. And there you go. from this object, it goes straight away. Working. Now, once again, pushing away, and no, it is this object. Wait. Okay, this one and this one. No. That is power. No. Okay, right here. This one is signal. And it loses the line. This one. No, this one again. Okay. This one again, considering this light. This one again. And it turns away that way. Forward again. Yeah, end of line. Now following the line. If you wish. And track. Well, losing track. Yeah. No. Very interesting. Okay. More or less end of story. So, cut it out. See whatever this is. And once again, D2, and I will assume for now that D2 is this one, is 11, but I really don't know. Yeah, it should be, because the other one wasn't even detected. So, let's go fast forward. $69, $70, yeah. And I relocate, I start a few times over and over, so this is no miracle that the distance changes. But there's nothing happening now. So even with all the data, it is hard to find out why what happens. And I want to know about D1 smaller than 1023. And that may be a very long wait. Let me see if this does make any sense. Not really. No, pattern of found. No. So I have to, let's see how large the data actually is. 7 megabytes. Yeah, right. That's a long way. And still I have no idea how I can correct it. Right, just one other thought. Now, I removed the battery pack behind the multicolor object, and for the reason that it shouldn't be needed, because the sonar should avoid it anyway. And the question is, now that I put it like that, okay, I turned this one around a bit. What happened? So I will put it right here. Can it follow the line? Will it follow the line? What happens? Color doesn't matter because it's sonar. Sonar doesn't care for color. So let's go. Still never happens. This one is recognized first. Going back. Turn around. Damaged edges causes it to stray off completely. Okay. Yep, I need to fix this. So. Now this one is recognized first. And it still turns this way. That is unusual. But should not happen. Alright, again. No. Might have to go offline. Off the line. Yeah, now it's correcting. This one is recognized. It should go the other way. This is strange. It loses the line. No, this is not the intention. I don't care about that right now. Alright, send off the line. This one. Right. This goes okay positive in heat damage, but I need to fix this one. Writes quite fast now. That's good. Until it recognize the line again. No. Okay. Oh dear. And yeah, well, you've seen some. Yeah. I should have done this. Okay. Over here. Object. Object. Oh yeah, I can just program. Now it recognizes this one. Comes here. Okay. No. It does, yeah, now it recognizes it, but it's way too late and it goes that way. I obviously really need to fix things. Which is most likely in the code. The web start. That is a very good question. Alright, so now I have this problem, and let's take a look at the code then. Primarily with the sonar. D1. This is setting it twice. D2 sets it, oh yeah, right, red and blue. Which implies that, simply said, left is 2. This being D1, this being D2. And if I start here, and that's a bit different because with the start the objects are more or less at the same position, at the same distance from the sonar. Yet one gives 27 and one gives 57. 20, that's 30 centimeters difference. Makes no sense. 5 maybe, 2 likely, but 30 no way. So something is quite off. Okay, now, so it has responded a lot to D2. Then, question is, which motor did react? Okay. D2 reaction. D2 reaction, that is hold on. So that is this one. The left side of the robot reacting. But this is 9 centimeters. Where should it respond? Smaller and equal to 8. Oh, this is D2 3 to 9, 3 to 8. This actually means that something in the algorithm isn't working quite as I thought. And of course, my thinking is not by definition the way the algorithm works. The algorithm works as I wrote it, not necessarily as I intended it. So that is a different question. And something for next time. So yeah, food for thought. And that is the end of this video. So yeah, like I said, food for thought with a correction, a necessary correction in the position of this one, lying down instead of standing up. Well, this is the correct position. A fix needed right there. And yeah, why does sonar 1 work with a different, apparently a different distance? 30 centimeters is a lot difference if you have them standing next to each other. I can't explain it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please be so kind to make a small donation via either Wired or PayPal or Wired. More information, see my website, and you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. More information also on my website. Your name will be mentioned on the website, or depending on your pledge, also with my videos. All information under this website, under this video. This is going to be continued, obviously. For now, once again, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.